Happy lunchtime, everyone. I want to talk to you today about the idea of starting a family photo network. We're going to take a look at how to do that using Forever. So the problem is you have a collection and it's not something you're proud of. It's a little overwhelming. You have SD cards, USB drives, CDs, externals, cameras, phones, folders, files and piles, and all of them are susceptible to fire, flood, loss, and add in photos, Facebook, Instagram, and those that are in unsecure cloud storage like iCloud, Amazon, and Google, and you have a family photo mess. So today I'm going to offer you the solution of establishing a family photo network with Danny's Pixel Chicks. For starters, you're going to go to www.forever.com/ambassador/Danny's Pixel Chicks and sign up for your free account and get a $10 coupon to use on your first purchase. If you already have an account, then you'll just simply go to your sign-in page and log into your account. When you first start and you don't have any pictures in there, it's going to be empty. You'll have a nice gray background and your library will tell you that you don't have anything in there. If you notice, mine says this is what your library page, or mine says nice, all your files are organized, because everything in my library is already tagged and or put into albums. So I'm able to enjoy the fact that right now they're all organized. There's no right or wrong way to do this, but I'm going to give you my recommended process, and that is to create albums by the year. So start current, you can always work backwards. Start with 2019. Within your annual albums, you're going to nest albums by the month or the event. I use numbers to keep them in chronological order. So for example, I know Father's Day is June 16th. So you can see that I have 0616 as my nested album within 2019. Open the album you want to add pictures to and click upload. Up here in the top left corner, you see the button that says plus new album. So to create your 2019 album, you'll click there, create your album. You'll be able to add descriptions and privacy settings. This is what the create a new album screen will look like. You just add in the year 2019 or whatever you choose to name your album. You are required to issue privacy settings for every album you create. If it's private, only you can see them, or if you give your login information to someone, they can see them. If it's friends and family, people you've invited to connect with on Forever will be able to see them, and public, anyone can see them, and this is great for team and group photos and things like that. You can also type a description in there. So you'll see that for mine, if your family had weddings, deaths, graduations, we purchased a new home, so maybe you want to put some highlights in this description. You don't have to, but every bit of information you can add along the way makes it that much more useful when this album is passed down to your heirs or shared with another friend. So after you've put all the information in, you also can do date ranges or change the date setting for the album. So if you were doing a vacation and it was June 5th, 2019 through June 12th, 2019, you could put those date ranges in there. So we'll click the Create New Album button in order to create your 2019 album. Now, we want to add an album within our 2019 album, and in order to do that, you click up here where it says Add Nested. So you'll add the nested album, and we're going to create one for my birthday. So add nested, I'm creating an album 6/4, Danny's birthday, and it will have the same privacy setting as the parent album. So if I set 2019 to be available to friends and family, that means every sub album or nested album within it is going to have the same setting. I want to add pictures to this album. This is the way I like to do it. I like to put the pictures directly into an album. So if I go into this album, 6/4, Danny's birthday, and click the upload button on the top center of your screen, then I will choose files from my computer. I'll click on one photo. When I find the file, I'll click on one photo, hold down the Shift key, click on the last photo or video in that batch, and click the Open button, and they will start to enter my account. You can monitor the upload process, and you can see that as this is progressing, it's showing that these two, whoops, back to the beginning there. You can see that it is, so some of these are videos, and as it finishes, you can see the 3 videos. Now, if I want to, video streaming is very different from storage. These are stored. They will migrate to a new file type whenever I need them to do so, but they are not going to be able to be streamed through my account. I'll just need to download them to my device, and I'll be able to watch those whenever I'm ready to view them, or I just download them to my account. Sorry, I had a little distraction there. I clicked on the wrong thing and couldn't find my way back. Okay, so once the upload is complete, let me just go back here one more time. You'll notice I can then upload more, or I can tell it that I am done uploading. You'll also notice that on every screen there's a little link down here at the bottom left that offers you a tutorial video. So support and training are definitely factors that set us apart from anybody who offers similar products. Let's go to this screen. This shows you that all of these pictures have been uploaded into this album that's nested within my 2019 parent album. If I click on the top right corner, there were 3 bars. This menu will drop down. And you'll notice at this point, we're going to talk about how to share your peace of mind with your friends and family. Note that there are 2 things in your menu bar that indicate something about friends. There's refer a friend, and there's friends and family. So let's skip to the next screen here. Let's start with refer a friend. This is how you can earn dollars to spend at Forever and get your friends and family connected with you. So if you notice on this screen, it says refer a friend. We're going to click on there and head over to this screen, and it will generate a link that's just for you. It will be specific to your account. You'll copy the link and take it into another email application and write it, or on your phone you can actually copy them into a text message, or you can just click on sharing it on Facebook or Messenger or through one of these other services. Every person who creates a free account will get a $10 coupon when they confirm their email. At that time, you will also get a $5 coupon, and those coupons are stackable with almost any deal. The other option is to click on Friends and Family, and this Friends and Family button also appears in the menu that you drop down from here. But up here we have Friends and Family, and you'll see that I have my kids. There's Aliana, there's my mom, Chapin, Chip, Lyden. They're all on here, as well as a few other people. And I am able to network with them as my friends and family. So to get your friends and family network started, you click on Invite Friends on the upper left. Anyone who joins your network will have access to download pictures from your albums that you have set to friends and family or to public settings. And you will have access to any of their albums with friends and family or public settings. Our next lunch lesson will walk you through creating a collaborative album so that everyone can put all of their pictures together. In the meantime, let's get your family photo network started. You can join me tomorrow, Tuesday, from 5:30 to 7:30 at Square Bean in Carlisle. Just stop in. We'll have a chat and a cup of coffee and talk about how to get your family photo network going. Another option is Friday, June 21st. I'm going to hold my Friday night clips at Square Bean in Carlisle. Please RSVP for that one so that I am prepared to help you with whatever you need to do to get your family photo network up and running. Or we can set up another time that works better for you. Just remember that Forever isn't like other photo storage services. We're focused on providing you with a permanent digital estate that's going to last for generations. Your family photos network is like insurance for your photos. Thank you for stopping in today, and have a great day. I will hopefully hear from all of you soon.